Countless Bahamians are now calling South Florida home, at least temporarily, after Hurricane Dorian destroyed where they live.
But what comes next is unclear after President Trump denied temporary protection status for them. TPS is meant to protect people whose lives were destroyed by things like natural disasters.
News Channel 5's Alana Quillen sat down with a Bahamian family tonight whose lives are now on hold.
Water coming inside the room.
2.5 weeks ago, Stanton Forbes and his mom sat in their attic for 2 days, bracing for death.
In that moment, the water kept getting higher.
Hurricane Dorian's floodwaters destroyed their Grand Bahama home.
It's really a miracle that we're alive here today.
One of their biggest worries while swimming to safety was a backpack of passports.
Because she didn't let the bike go, we were able to save our passports.
The pair made it aboard the Grand Celebration Wednesday, which brought hundreds more evacuees to West Palm. They reunited with family, but now, like so many others, they wonder what's next.
Really nothing for them to go back to.
Immigration attorney Nadine Heights says visitor visas only last 6 months and it won't allow them to work.
It's just not enough time to really be able to wait out the time period needed to rebuild their homes.
We want to be legal. We want to respect the institution, the government, but we also want to be in a position to help our families back home who couldn't come here.
A student visa is an option, though Forbes says there's a hefty fee for medical insurance.
You lose everything and you have to come up with $1,200 just to stay in a school for like a few weeks.
Families might be able to extend their visitor visa.
That should be done at least 45 days before their visitor visa expires.
Height says unless an evacuee qualifies for a family member to petition them, which could take a year or more, options are very limited unless changes are made in Washington.
It's only a matter of using your pen to sign off, and then you give hope to people like us who want to come here.
Alana Quillen, WPTV News Channel 5.